Hello viewers, have a good day. Welcome to another tutorial. So we'll start the new series of remote sensing and GIS work with ArcGIS. So this is the first tutorial of that series. And this tutorial is basically based on the basic settings of ArcGIS. So those who are beginner in this ArcGIS, you should watch the whole video without skipping, so you can learn so many things. You will understand step by step how you can set your ArcGIS. So at first you can see here this is ArcGIS 10.8. So after the opening of ArcGIS we can see several settings because ArcGIS is a new software. Those who are basically known with QGIS, they have some you can find some similarities between QGIS and ArcGIS, but the setting is totally different. So at first we have to set some default setting. So after the opening of your ArcGIS you can see here this kind of window. So you just simply cancel this window and you can see here. So this is look like empty, but we'll arrange this ArcGIS according to our the best way. By that we can easily do all kind of map making activities. Okay, so that we'll learn today. So we can see here this is the the menu bar, file, edit, view, etc. And after then you can see here the shortcut menus. Okay, so basically we actually doing all activities in ArcGIS by using the shortcut menus. But the most important, or the most important tool of ArcGIS within this is the table of content, catalog, search, and the arc toolbar. This four is the main pillar of ArcGIS. So we should arrange this four pillar. Okay, so at first I want to click on this table of content. So you can see if we simply click here, we can see here this table of content, and this table of content always should be within this left portion of our ArcGIS. Okay, second you can see here this catalog. Simply click here the catalog. So you can see here within this table of content, within here catalog as well as table of content. So when we click on table of content, you can see here table of content as well as the catalog. You can see here table of catalog. So we can see here within this catalog we can see the folder. Okay, so when we navigate the folder we should select the catalog, and the table of content means all the activities or layers will be available here, and I will show after a few minutes. Okay, then you can open see here the third one, the search option. This is also very much important. Simply click here, you can see search option. Okay, so then within this search button we can easily type anything. So whatever we need we can type here, we can easily find that, and I will show that also. And the most important thing is that our toolbox. This is the main backbone of this the ArcGIS. So all these activities actually we doing with this ArcGIS basically based or work within this Arc toolbox. And Arc toolbox has 7 wings, and each wing, or the section has the different work. But basically we use the spatial analysis tool. Then you can see here the data management tool, then conversion tool, and the third one is the analysis tool. So these are the main powerful tools that you actually use different kind of work with this ArcGIS. Okay, so after that you can see how the left and right portion is okay, and rather I want to show here. You can see at the very left portion, okay, 2 small boxes you can see here. So the first box, when I cursor point is set here, you can see the data view. Okay, that means the all layers, that means point, line, polygon, or raster vector data we can see within this data view. But the second simple small box, when cursor point is set over here, you can see the layout view. So if we click here we can see the layout. So this is this is the shortcut menu that we use for the final layout. Okay, so all of this we'll learn step by step. So again I want to click on this data view. So this is the data view. Now you can see here only some very few symbol is here. but we need to add some more symbol to work, you can say, very precisely and very fastly. So most important tools, or you can say shortcut menus, that we have to add here. These are, you can say, drawing tools, classification tools, georeferencing tools, editor tools, effect tools, and the tools only. So one by one I will open here. So for that, firstly you just click on over here within this any portion of here, right click. Okay, and we can see here different tools name here. Okay, so you can say one by one from the upper portion to lower portion. You can see here the first one is important, the very much important one is that from this the editor. So simply click on editor. So you can see here editor tool already open. So you can simply left click on your mouse and you can drag it here, and you can set anywhere according to your suitable position. Okay, you can set this. So this is the editor. So all kind of editing, that means the point, line, polygon, whatever we digitize, we'll use this editor toolbox. Okay. Secondly, again click on right click and you can select an effect. This effect tools also very important. You can say in during this the classification, supervised and unsupervised classification, other thing. Again click right click and I can select here georeferencing tool. Okay, so here is georeferencing. Yes, so this is the georeferencing. So this is very much important because when we have a raster map without the you can say georeference, so you need to georeference map by using of this tool. So I want to set this georeferencing tool here. Okay, and I can also, you can arrange all of this tool according to your need. The third one is the important, you can say the drawing table also. So you can see here the draw. Okay, click here. So you can see here the drawing table also available here. So I want to the drawing table adjust here. Then I want to add the classification table. So you can go here the image classification, and you can also see here some other tools also is available here. So I can also take this tools, because this tools is very much important. Okay, so I want to set tools here. Okay, so tool table also very much important. Effect I have already added, editor toolbox already added, georeferencing tool already added, then the classification tools. So that you can see image classification tools, you can see here. So I can also simply take it here. So these are the, you can say, the basic tools or very essential tools for, you can say, the doing any kind of the map mapping. But if you have need more tools, you can simply click here and you can check, or you can say select any tools from here. Okay, similarly you can also find all of this from this you can say the customize, go to toolbox and you can find all of this here also. Okay, so these are the, you can say, basically thing about the you can say the basic symbol. So here you can say another important and you can say strong, you can say tool is the window tool. So here you can use the image analysis tool. So image analysis tool is also very much effective during this all kind of, you can say, the satellite image, whatever this Landsat or you can say lease or spot or others. So this image analysis tool actually used during the, you can say, the image analysis or classification. So that we'll learn in later. Okay, so these are the basic thing about the, you can say, the settings about the ArcGIS. Now we'll learn how to open raster image, how to open the vector image. That we'll learn in this topic, because these are the very basic things. Okay, so for the opening of the open raster and open vector layers, you should go to the catalog. You can see here the catalog. Within this catalog you can see here the folder connection. This folder connection is very much essential. Kiki, with the help of this folder connection we can directly, you can say, the navigate the folder where my vector as well as the raster data available. So I should connect. So simply click on here folder connection, click on the connect folder. Okay, so after the clicking you can see here new window will appear. So from here you should select this folder where your vector as well as the raster data is available. So my vector and raster data available within this I think this land set. Okay, within this. So I want to select this land set and click on OK. So you can see here within this folder connection that folder automatically connected. And then you can also see a plus icon. If you click here, you can see the folder which is within this land set that also appear here. And again, if I click on this data, because my all land set image actually stored within this data, if I click here within this plus icon, we can see the other folder. We can also extend this. That means all of this folder you can see here. So you can see here the India boundary, India district shapefile, India state shapefile. These are the folder where the different vector as well as raster data is available. So at first I want to open the raster data. So that raster data means the satellite image. You can see here different satellite image here. Landsat 8, Landsat 7, Landsat 5. Okay. So at first I want to open the Landsat 8 satellite. Okay. Very simple. Simply click here. You can see here within this there is a number of satellite, you can say satellite images here. So for example, I want to show something that I want to select only one. So select first one, you can say select one. Okay, and after that just drag it. Okay, select, simply press right click on this band set 1. Okay, and drag it here. So you can see here that band set 1, that is Landsat 8 band 1 appear within this your map. Okay, but we can also open all these they can say the band 1 to band 11 or whatever you need. You can also open by clicking other way. You can also see here within the standard toolbar. Okay, so this is the standard toolbar. This is the standard toolbar. Okay, so with the help of this standard toolbar, okay, I want to set again standard toolbar here. You can see a plus icon. So this is the add data. This is directly add data. Okay, you can simply click here and simply again navigate to the location where the data is available. So our data is available within this Landsat, the data, and this first one, the Landsat 8. So we can see here the all band is available here. Okay, so I want to select band 1, then band 2, 3, 4, 5. So I want to select only this 5 band. Okay, then click on add. So all data, all band will you can say added here. So how we can see that all you can say the band are you can say appear or not. Okay, so you can click here table of content. So simply click here table of content and you can see here all band. You can also extend this one. So band 1, band 2, band 3, band 4, band 5, and band 1 also. Previously we actually opened this band 1, so I want to remove this. So if I want to remove any band from this table of content, you can easily remove. How we can remove any band or any layers from the table of content? Simply just click here, right click and click on remove. So band will remove from here. Not only that, other thing is that you can see here the on checkbox for each band. So if I uncheck, so we can see all band are individual band will disappear. So if I want to see only band 3, so you simply click on this checkbox. So on the band 3, that means band 3 is a green band. So only green band will appear here. So if I want to see only the band 4, you can see only band 4. If you want to band 5, so you can see here only band 5 only. Okay, band 5 is a near infrared band. So you can see here. Okay, so this all about the layers, opening of raster image. Okay, so now I want to select only this band 1. I want to share something. If I want to, you can say move my band, or you can say my raster image from here to there. So in that case I will use this pen, because by using this pen we can easily move. Okay, we can easily move our raster image anywhere, whatever you want to move. Okay, so simply this, and this is the plus icon, which is the zoom. So if I want to zoom this portion, so you simply click here and you can see on the zoom portion will appear. If again I can zoom it, and this actually used for the zoom out. Okay, so zoom in and zoom out. We can also, you can say, zoom in and zoom out by the help of the mouse button also. Okay, the second thing is that key, you can see here the full extent. This is the shortcut menu. You can see here key my raster image actually spread over the image, so over the area. So if you can say, if you want to see within this the layer within this window, so simply you can click here full extent. So you can see here all this map within this your window. Otherwise you can also do like that, key select this layer, this band one, simply click on right click, and you can see here zoom to layer. Simply click here zoom to layer. So your map again will fit with the you can say the display. Okay. Second, you can also see here zoom, fixed zoom and zoom out. You can also click here. So fixed rate wise your image will be zoom in as well as the zoom out. Okay, and also you can see here zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so these are the basic thing. By using that we can easily do so many things. Okay, so now you can also see here this is the select element. So by using that we can see we can only select, but we are unable to move. If we want to move any, you can say the image, we have to select this band. So by that we can move anything within our, you can say, layer within our window. Okay, so about, you can say here this is the zoom to layer. Okay, so here the you can say the basic the about the concept about the opening of the raster image. Here I want to see one thing, one important work within this window menu. So simply click on window, then click on image analysis. So you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 band. Okay, if you want to merge all of this band, and if you want to see in band as a, you can say the false color composition, then what we can do, simply select all of this band within this you can say image analysis, then simply click here within this here. You can see here this is the merge. Okay, this within this processing, this is the merge composite band. Simply click here. Okay, so you can see here within this layer panel the composite band will appear. So what we can do, we can easily click on this minus button, and I want to uncheck all the band. Okay, so you can see only this composite band, and within this composite band you can see here red, green and blue, because all 5 band actually merge within this one band. If I want to see this image as a red, you can say the false color composition, then click here, select band 5, band 4 and band 3. So this is the false color composition. Okay, so you can see here the all our yellow portion is the vegetation cover, and the blue color is the river, and the green, you can say the yellowish color is the vegetation, sorry, the agricultural land and other activities, and the bluish green actually represent the settlement areas, or you can say built up areas. So all of this you will learn step by step with me. Okay, so now I want to remove all this layer. Okay, I want to remove all this layer because now I want to open the vector layer. That means I want to open the shape files. So I can remove, simply you can select here and click on the remove, or you can select all of this by using the shift. Okay, and click on remove. So all your raster image remove from your the layer panel. So for opening the any raster, again click on the catalog. Opening of any vector layer, just click on the catalog. So within that you can see here India boundary, India district shapefile, India state shapefile, etc. So I want to open you can say the shapefile. So you can see here within this folder in India state boundary .shp. So .shp means this is a shapefile. So simply click here. Simply click here. You can see here the India map. Okay. So after that again you go to the table of content. Okay. Within this table of content you can see here this India map. So if I click here and go to open attribute table, okay, you can see here the name of individual state, type, as well as if I extend this table you can see the type of state or Indian territory. Okay. So if I want to see or select individual state, like I want to select the Bihar. So how can I select? You can if you want to select any individual, you can say the boundary. How can select? Simply use this select feature, okay, this tool, and click on this. So you can see here this boundary, the Uttar Pradesh already selected, then Madhya Pradesh, then Maharashtra. So whatever you want to select, you can select this, okay. So you can also see you can see the other element also. Like if I want to see the properties, just click on here, go to properties. You can see here the general information. Within the general information, nothing is there, but source is important. You can see here the coordinate system. So the coordinate system, that means projection system of this image, is WGS 1984. Then data is WGS 1984, and the angular unit is the degree, because WGS 1984 is a degree. The unit of measurement of WGS in 1984 is a degree. So this is a geographic coordinate system. Similarly, you also see the other display, symbology, field, definition, labels, joining tables, etc. You can see here. So all of this we can see one by one. For example, I want to you can say change the color, because we can see here all the individual entities are single color, but I want to change the color. So simply go to categorize from the drop down menu, or you can say yes, select this name, click on add all values. So you can see each and every individual state has some different colors. Click on apply and OK. So you can see here, so each and every individual, you can say, state has the different color. And if you want to label, that means if you want to see the name of each individual state, you can see, simply click here and click on label feature. So now you can see here the name of each individual, you can say, countries, individual state. Okay, so these are the very basic things about the opening of raster as well as opening of the vector data. And if you want to do the output, or if you want to, you can say, create any legend, or you can say layout map, so simply click here, layout view. So within that you can see here the total, you can say, entire image. So now you can select here, you can add the, you can say, the scale bar, north line, then grid. So from where we can add all of these things? Very simple. Go to insert. Within this insert, we can see here north line, legend, scale bar, picture. All of this we can add here. Simply I want to show like that north line. So I want to select this north line. Okay. Select this. Click on OK. And you can see here north line already available here. So you can also extend your north line, other things. You can also, you can say, add the scale also. Simply select any scale from here, click on OK. But there is some properties you will learn, tutorial will learn very precisely. Okay. Simply we can add the heading also, etc. We can do from this using this insert table for the final layout. So thank you for watching this all about your, you can say, introduction of the very basic introduction of ArcGIS.